Hello everybody, this is cabin 1481 on the Carnival Horizon. This is a deluxe ocean view room. So when we come in the door, we have your normal layout. Bathroom on the left. We've got the shower, the toilet, of course, and then we got a sink. Got plenty of storage on each side. And there's a little bit of a storage area underneath as well. Just to give some context, this is my 7th day on this in this cabin on this particular cruise. So you're obviously going to see my clothes and things, but no biggie. That's what cruising's all about, is getting unpacked and hanging everything up and just enjoying yourself. But got a full-length closet there. Full-length mirror. Hello everybody. Then this side, kind of a half and half, and this obviously does lift up. And a little pro tip: if you have hangers that clank together in the night, just take a towel, lay it over the top of them. No more clanking hangers. All right. And we've got this last one. Got some storage, couple of storage shelves there. That's where your safe is at. Another storage shelf, and then you've got 3 storage drawers down there as well. Coming over to the desk area, got some storage there. Little desk area there for you. There is 2 USB ports and 2 US electrical outlets, 1 European outlet. Unfortunately, as you'll see in a moment, there are no plugs near the bed. Got your cooler there. A little desk at the desk area. Little bench stool there for you. And your trash container. Moving over in. Oh, by the way, we do have a lighted vanity mirror there for you. For those ladies that like to look pretty before they go to the MDR. This room we'll get to in just a second. We've got the sofa that does pull out. A little coffee table there for you. We've got 2 small nightstands with built-in lamps. And I do have a CPAP machine, so that's what you see there. King size configuration, which we all know is not really a king size configuration, but close enough. Another nightstand on that side. Got what I would say is probably a 50-inch TV, I would assume. I have yet to even cut that thing on this week. And of course, a beautiful view of the ocean. We are at sea today, heading back to Miami, and as you can see, we are moving right along. This cabin is the very last aft cabin on the left side of the hallway. I love that. It's been very, very quiet this week. You do get a little bit of rumbling engine noise, but I like a little bit of noise when I'm sleeping anyway. So, all right, now for the best part of this room is this. You've got mirror and sink and a tub with a shower. Now I'm 6 foot and my pre-cruise weight is probably somewhere between 260 and 270, give or take a few 100 pounds. But I have used this as the shower all week long. Plenty of room to move around. It still does have a curtain instead of a glass door, but you don't get attacked by that curtain like you do in that small shower in the other bathroom. Got trash underneath, shelving on the side, plenty of room. And I love this. I think that this is a wonderful little area. I would probably 3 people, maybe 4 people in this cabin. If you've got 2 adults and 2 children, I think the layout is perfect. I'm solo, so it's been absolutely amazing for me. Plenty of room. I mean, there's floor space here. I've worked at the desk at least 3 to 4 days this week and had plenty of room at the desk to be able to work. So great little cabin, $1481 on the Carnival Horizon. I strongly encourage you to check out the Deluxe Ocean View if you have an opportunity. Y'all have a good one. See you next time.